Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and today I'm going to show you how to set up Seed Labs on your computer. So first just head over to seedsecretary.labs.org and here you'll be able to see this is the official site for Seed Labs. So once you head over here, hit to Lab Setup. So in the lab setup, we'll be following the official documentation. As you can see here, follow this manual. So we'll be following the official documentation to install the thing. So there are three main steps in installing Seed VM on VirtualBox. So the first thing is installing the VirtualBox. So since I've already installed VirtualBox, I'm not going to show you how to do it. It's just you just have to head over to the VirtualBox link. You can go over to the downloads, and once you hit over here, you can download the latest version. Uh, in the documents, it says that it's recommended 6.1.16, but I have tried on 7, the latest version. You just hit this link and follow the installation process. It's simple, you just keep hitting next. So once that is done, yeah, so the latest version works fine. I'm currently I tested it on the latest version. So once that is done, you download the zip file. We need to download a zip file, which is the seed Ubuntu zip from the Seed website. So head over here to the Seed website, which will which is the same website again. So you can click Google Drive or DigitalOcean. I chose Google Drive. It is a 4 GB file. It is a 4 GB file, so it's gonna take a little while. So it says here size 4 GB. It's a 4 GB file. It's gonna take a while. So I already downloaded it. So once you download the zip, it'll be something like this. Let me just show it to you. Yeah, so it'll be a zip file, and once you unzip this file, it's gonna give you access to the .vdi file. So this is what we're going to use. Now that the .vdi file and the VirtualBox are ready, we are ready to start our installation. So for that, we need to start with open up VirtualBox. You probably have nothing over here, so that's fine. I have a few machines running, which is my previous machine. So head over to machines and add new. So here you just give a name for your, so I'll be giving seed virtual machine, and that's the default location. Don't change that. And type, will be changing type, change it to Linux, and the version it's gonna be Ubuntu 64-bit. Yes. So then hit next. So for this, the base memory 4 and the processors 1, that's fine. You don't have to change anything in that. Just hit next. So create virtual hard disk now. So this is where we use our existing, we you have to use an existing virtual hard disk because we'll be using a .vdi file. So this is, as soon as this opens, hard disk selector, click add. Go to where you've downloaded the seed folder and unzipped it. Click that and select the VDI. Select open. Yeah, so that's that, and just hit choose. Once you hit choose, you'll be able to see here. Then hit next. So yeah, these are all the summary of the machine. Just hit finish. So once it's finished, we are ready to start our system, but we'll have to make a few more changes to the settings so that we our work's gonna be easier. So go to general, then advanced. So shared clipboard and drag and drop, make them bidirectional. What this is gonna let you do is it's gonna let you copy from your local system as well as from your local system to your VM as well as vice versa. So then go head over to system, then processors. So the recommended processor is 2, but you can give it 4. 4 is gonna be fine. Oh, sorry, I just close the settings. Core and yeah, enable the extended features, enable these both. If you if it's not visible, it's not selected, that's fine as well. Then head over to display in the video memory. Just use the maximum video memory, it's gonna be fine. And this is important, make sure it's on this VMS VGA and enable 3D acceleration. Then head over to network and attach to NAT. This is just make sure it's NAT, NAT. If it's anything else, just change it back to this. You don't have to modify anything else over here. Just click OK. Then what's recommended according to the documentation is taking a snapshot of the uh, start state, because having a backup of when you the start state is better in case you want to revert back or anything. So back up, just click OK. That's done. So now we're ready to start your system. Just hit start. It's gonna take a while, guys. It's to power up for the first time, so be a little patient. So the password for this is the opposite of seed, so that's DEES, all lowercase. Enter, maximize your screen. Yep, that's we're in. So a recommendation from me is just head over to the settings and the scale option, make it 200%. It'll be a little convenient for you. So then you can just check if everything's fine by, yeah, we are good. So we are ready to start here, but another one more change we have to we can make is adding a shared folder. We have to add a shared folder between our VM and our local system, because that'll help us to send files or make any changes. If we want to make any changes to some files, you can copy paste and stuff. So what I'd recommend is create a dedicated folder in your local system and name it VM shared or anything. You can name it anything. Then head over here to seed virtual machine, click settings, and on the settings select shared folders. And the shared folders, there's nothing here, so we'll have to mount one. Plus the click this plus icon, the folder path, I have to select others, and from others desktop VM share, that's the one I want. Select folder. The folder name is gonna be the same, don't change it. This just click auto mount. So whenever your VM starts, it's gonna auto mount the shared folder so that you don't have to mount it every time. Click OK. Accessful. OK. Now we have to link our shared folder in our VM. So just I'm starting up my VM again. So the password, guys, again, I'm reminding you, DEES, opposite of seed, or lowercase. So yeah, you can see here the VM shared folder is available, but when you click on it, yeah, it won't give you access to it because it says you won't have permission. So for that, what we have to do is we have to create another directory and link those both. So we create a directory, name it shared or anything you want. Then we execute a command to link those both. So that'll be sudo mount t and vbox sf. So here you'll have to enter the name of the folder, but the folder name is gonna be the name of your local folder. So make sure it's same. So mine's capital VM underscore shared. So make sure it's same. That's VM shared, and you can double check it as well. If there's any errors in naming, it won't link. So yup, now we should be able to see another directory over here. Yes, we can see a directory. So we can just test it by creating a new file over here. We can just name text document test.txt. Head over to your VM, guys. There you go, test.txt. So a shared folder is ready as well. So another recommendation, I mean an advice from the documentation is that we do not going on ahead, you'll be downloading labs from the official site and executing them. So when you download the labs, you do not download them in your shared folder location. I'll show you where you can download them or what's the best practice for that, but do not download and unzip them in your shared folder. So we are ready to start our labs, guys. That's it. Thank you.